Welcome back, traders, to the bull ring. We've got some exciting news for you. If you're a bull, if you're a bear, you might not want to hear this. So let's get started. NVIDIA. Okay, we got bullish here, guys, at about 848, and the cloud turned green. So we started going up on the 1 hour, and now we've been consolidating across. Okay, still big moves for NVIDIA. They're not moving a dollar like SPY. This is moving big dollars. And eventually you see that the cloud started to pinch, and sure enough, it went down. And if you're in the bull ring, we had traders that took advantage of that and jumped into some puts today and did very, very well. All right, so NVIDIA has a decision to make. NVIDIA can get down to about 872, maybe 865, guys. Okay, that's exactly where the 200-day moving average is at for now on the 1 hour. But look at this level. These levels are falling, and NVIDIA can make it down to about 811 if they find no buyers. They have to find buyers. Okay, now will they find buyers? Let me show you something. This is a super important week for NVIDIA, okay, because I've outlined some support here, guys, at 872, like I said, and then the next one is 811. Look at this candle. Price is being rejected for a while now. This is the weekly, so this is a weekly candle. So all week, they're rejecting NVIDIA from going any higher, which is very close to this wick right next to it. Now, could we have a double top going on here? And look at these candles. So that means that in a double top on the weekly, the double top implied move would not start until we get to 753. Okay, now that's if, okay, and don't forget, because I know some of you guys said, well, you said no. If it breaks the neckline, okay, if you don't know what a neckline is, guys, you need to sign up for my courses. Here it goes, okay. So you would be looking at about 580 if IF with quotations, guys, right here. It has to get past this point, and we could get down here even further. Okay, now look at this. This is a huge gap. It could come down. Of course, it's going to take a while. It's going to take weeks, guys, but NVIDIA will meet buyers on the way down. Okay, how many? Who knows? But if it breaks this, if it breaks it, it will come down. What about SPY and SPX? Wow. So we were in a downward channel. Okay. We hit a bottom, not 10%. Everybody thought the correction would be 10%, which is lower than that. Okay. So now we started heading up on the weekly. Okay. Look at this candle. And this is what I was waiting for today. I wanted to see if it was going to challenge the top of this channel. Sure enough, it did. And you can see that we have a gap clear down to about 47.77, guys. Okay, that's the next shelf. If it breaks 5,000 again, SPX will see that. But for now, this is going to make or break a lot of people tomorrow. Okay, are we going to get up? Because now we will challenge an all-time high. What is this green line? What is that green line right there? Okay, those are alerts that I'm going to give my community, my team in the bull ring. If you guys want to know what that alert is, you need to sign up, guys. Okay, for tonight. Okay, you heard it here, just till midnight. Okay, I am going to do 50% off, guys. 50% off the bundle deal. That's right. You get all the courses, you get the ebooks, you get the indicator, you get the private chat room, and you get me in case you need some one-on-one coaching, guys. 50% off just tonight. When you go to the checkout page, you will punch in, type in, insert coach 50. That's coach 50. 0 to get 50% off. That is only good till midnight, guys. At 100 hours, it will go back to regular price. 50% off tonight. Don't miss this deal. I'm also going to leave you a link below, guys. Okay, if you sign up, you will get this signal. I'll tell you what this green line means and this green line means, guys. You will know and you will get the move and you will make some money. If you don't sign up, then you won't know the signal, okay? So again, SPX, decision time right here. My personal thought is going to pop up on No News tomorrow. They have not been trading with all the volume. So basically, they're saving money when they trade with less volume so that they can do this in the morning. Boom, go up, okay? That's just my thought, okay? Because I can't see them dumping this down 100 points, but we'll see, guys, because everything always changes for the dumbest reasons. But for now, this is a bull move going on with the stocks, and Nvidia could do the same. Nvidia could take this to this yellow line and then go boom tomorrow. It will lead the market. Apple, Google, and guess who else is leading? If you said Amazon, you are correct. Look at this. You got 1, 2, 3 green candles. What does that mean in stock trading? 3 white soldiers, guys. You got 3 soldiers. What does that mean? Look at that. 3 soldiers and boom, it goes. All-time high. It hit an all-time high. Amazon is on its way. It's got nothing up here, guys. Nothing. Let me get my arrow back. It's got nothing in the way. Okay, why would it not stop? Okay, so if you haven't invested in Amazon, you need to think about it because they've got a lot of great things going on. And I'm going to tell my community, like, you need to take a look at Amazon. So Amazon is going to help push the market tomorrow, okay? And I think Google and Apple is going to follow. And at the end of the day, okay, you got one thing that is going to make the market makers want to drive this up. We got something called PCE, guys, put to call ratio, okay? We even have a chart for it. All right, so this is what the market makers are doing. They are going to attack this here. Look at that, 1.24. That means that there's more puts versus calls, okay? There you go. Those are your titles. Here we are, 1.3 million versus 1.1. They brought this down from 1.33 to 1.16 today. Now it's back up. People continue to buy puts, so the market is going to go up. And look at the open interest, okay? 13.7 million on the puts, 6.9 on the calls, and we got a 1.97 ratio. That is going to keep this price going up. Look, technical analysis tells us we should have went back 10%, but now this is a money thing. This is personal to the banks, to the market makers, and they're not going to fail. They're not going to let you just continue to buy puts. So be very careful, be smart. It's time to get bullish if we get past that channel, guys. All right, I'm going to leave you with this, guys. Don't forget, we are at a decision-making point. This is resistance, previous resistance, but you got a bullish candle here on the weekly, okay? If you have any questions, guys, I'm leaving my phone number down below. Text me questions 725-222-3959, okay? Wishing you guys a green day tomorrow.